After watching the video of Mistakes Are Beautiful, I'd like you to look at this graph and think, what do you notice? What do you wonder? What questions do you have about it? And what information does this graph provide? You're going to upload the PDF of this document and answer those questions in Notability. You can take notes on it as much as you want to, and then you're going to submit it back to the assignment. But for the last activity, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you make your own graph. They've already done a graph on emojis, so I'd like you to not do it on emojis. And if you notice, they have opposites. So they've made a cross, a grid, and they have on the top cute and on the bottom not cute. They're opposites. And then the opposites on the right and left are don't use and use. So it creates 4 different areas to put things into. Now what I'd like you to do is think about something else that you could make a graph of. Another idea that you could use if you wanted to is an activities graph. And there, if you notice, they've done the 4 areas again. And the opposites on the top and the bottom are fun, not fun, difficult, and easy on the right and left. And so then each of the activities that they have listed in there fall under those categories. You could also make one on ice cream. So you could say something like, ones I like and ones I don't like, ones that are chunky and ones that are smooth. So those could be your opposites. You could do it on candy. So you could do candy that you eat a lot and ones that you don't eat a lot. And then on the other side, you could do chocolate and fruit, like a fruity candy. So those are different ideas that you can do. But I'd like you to really think about this and create your own activities graph or your own graph using the grid form, just like we have here.